look, we just took off this old boring wood ornament latch thing. We're gonna install this really cool horse. We had to cut these two rivets out, and this one on the bottom just like a 3/8. We put carriage heads in here, and then we're also going to put a plate behind here so he could actually use this as to open the hood. And we always put a plate if they want to use it, and not handles a lot of times. A plate just gives it stability where he can grab a hold of this guy and open his hood with it, no problem.
We took off the old piece, put the carriage bolts in there, look like the rivets, to cover up the old hole.
Man, that's one stony joker right there. So we put that plate on him.